Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a paper cup in Blender. The Blender version I am using is Blender 4.2. First open your Blender. Select the default items and delete it. To delete those items, hit X and select delete. Okay. Now we want to add a mesh called a cylinder to design the paper cup. Shift press shift plus A, select mesh, and in mesh select cylinder. Okay. uh, if you have numpad in your keypad, press 1 and press G, uh, bring it up. Otherwise press G, press Z and press 1 to bring it on the surface. Okay. Now we have to reduce the height of the cylinder. Press S and Z. We have to reduce the height, so we have to reduce it in Z axis. I think this is enough. Okay, let's go to edit mode. Enable face selection and select top face alone. Press X and select faces. Okay, now select bottom face. Now we have to reduce the size like inverted triangle. Press yes and move the cursor to reduce this size. I think this is enough. Okay. Now when you notice in paper cups, the bottom side is okay. We have to extrude the bottom side inward. If you see the paper cup, you will notice that. Okay. Select extrude inward little bit. I think this is enough. Now if you notice paper cups, you will see a rim structure in this area, so we want to make that rim. For that we have to add a loop cut. When you press loop cut button, it will create a circle lines here. Just left click and drag it upwards. I think this is enough. Okay, now select all these faces, enable face selection. When you press alt and left click, most of the time it will not select the similar faces. Instead of that, it will select the face below that face. That face want to be selected, so select one face and go to select menu, select similar. Here press area. Bottom face also selected, so we have to reduce the threshold. Okay, now the rim area is selected. Go to extrude, press and hold this, select extrude along normals. Okay, if you drag this, the all selected faces will be extruded in their own direction. That's what we want. Okay, I think this is enough. We want to bevel this. Press B, Control B. This is enough, I think so. Okay, so we got the shape of paper cup, but the texture is not as smooth as the original paper cup. We want to make it smooth. For that, go to modifier, press add modifier. In generate menu, select subdivision surface. Okay, when you apply the subdivision surface modifier, it will fade out all sharp edges in the object. So to make it sharp again, go to edit mode, select loop cut, and add a loop cut here, as well as here, another loop cut. Okay, as well as in upward direction also. Okay, we got the sharp edges below, as well as we have to make the rim area sharp inside too. Okay, now go to object mode. We got perfect paper cup. Okay, a small texture correction we have to make. So right click and select shade smooth. So now you can see yeah, this is what we want. A smooth paper cup is ready. Thank you.